Recommended disinfectants for TB labs. 5% phenol. Phenol. Phenol is to be used at a concentration of 5% in distilled water. Phenol is highly irritating to the skin, eyes and mucous membranes. Ingestion of phenol is toxic. Therefore, phenol derivatives should be used in place of phenol. Use. Phenol is used for decontaminated liquid waste generated during specimen processing, for surface decontamination of equipment and single-use items prior to disposal. Mechanism of action. Tuberculocidal. Key mechanisms include inactivation of essential enzyme systems and leakage of essential metabolite from the cell wall. Phenol solution should be prepared in a well-ventilated area. Melt phenol crystals at 45 to 50 degrees Celsius in a water bath. Use distilled water to prepare required volume. 70% alcohol. Alcohol. Alcohols such as ethanol, isopropyl alcohol are used at 70% concentration. Mechanism of action. Denaturation of bacterial protein. Use. Used on laboratory benches and biosafety cabinets for routine decontamination. Hand cleaning. A rinse with 70% ethanol or isopropyl alcohol followed by thorough washing with soap and water is effective. Used for surface decontamination of equipments. For preparation of 70% alcohol, use commercially available absolute alcohol. Prepare required amount of 70% alcohol using appropriate amount of distilled water and absolute alcohol as shown in the table. Now we will prepare 1% hypochlorite solution. Chlorine. Sodium hypochlorite stock solution, which is 4 to 6% sodium hypochlorite, and the working concentration is 1%. Sodium hypochlorite is highly alkaline and can corrode metal. Mechanism of action. Denaturation of bacterial proteins. Use general purpose disinfectant and for soaking contaminated metal-free materials. The bactericidal activity is due to undissociated hypochlorous acid, which has an overall disruptive effect on bacterial physiology, including cell membrane, proteins, and nucleic acid. Use commercially available 4% hypochlorite solution. Prepare required amount of 1% hypochlorite solution using appropriate amount of distilled water. Hypochlorite solution should be prepared fresh.